This is the CMA wireless pH sensor. It is used in middle school, higher education in chemistry, biology, science and environmental science across the curriculum. It is used to measure the pH of a solution. The LED display shows the current pH value, Bluetooth states and the battery status. The battery life of this pH sensor is about 8 hours. You can use the pH sensor wireless or with USB. I will show you how to use the sensor in a simple experiment with two different solutions. I connect the sensor with the computer. It shows now that the wireless pH sensor is connected. We have two beakers with different solutions, and the aim of this experiment is to measure which of the solutions is the base and which is the acid. The value measured on the display you can see on the screen as well. This solution has a pH of 2.7. And this solution has a pH of 13.5. So our conclusion is that this is the base and this is the acid. The wireless pH sensor has an easy readable display and has a fast recognition by our Coach Sodftware software. You can measure up to 100 Hz wireless and 1000 Hz when using the USB-C cable.